Hashwa ban rakhi yaka International Yoga Day kata hakar Bhoi tarik jeliu 2000 kari Bhoi District Yogasana Sports Association hakasian ke banding kong kalayo ban Pynlong yaka district level Yogasana Sports Awareness Program hakajinga trilang bat kari Bhoi College lembat ke office su district sports officer ri Bhoi yaka bala Pynlong hari Bhoi College kajing temu jong ka Rbdysa ban Pynlong yakum kani ka program kalong ban pentip syakipat ba baka yoga sana kadai kajat jingya lek kai kaba ngila ban nashim banta kaba layakot bor bat kiwe pat ki jingya lek kai bat hakajuk kapor leng ba kadai ka program ki khon samla kinyo ban penlien radi ban yale yoga knang ba kinyo yakamet kabashat baklan bat bakin laj ru na ki jingpang hakamet kapat bat khamtam bakin laj na ka jingpang hakabor berkhat Hakate kesingilai dan rengkat lang State Secretary MYSA ba Dipangkar Nandi, Principal ke Bhoi College EC Benny, M Singh in charge Yoga Cell Bhoi College, Kong YVCMD Program Officer ke NSS Bhoi College, hakajinga dan lang ki dekhot jong ke RBDYSA ki ba kentup nadu President, Samla Wan Borlang Malnyang, Samla Alfred Doloy District Treasurer, Samla Damut Gensai Walang Secretary, pat Samla Babylon Lingdo.
राइट हैंड तो पीछे ले जाएंगे राइट व्हील पे लेफ्ट को लेफ्ट व्हील पे एंजॉय इट डोंट और थोड़ा रिलैक्स आसन करेंगे घुटनों के बल खड़ा होते हुए दोनों हाथों को कंबल के पीछे और धीरे धीरे अपने गर्दन को पीछे लेके जाइए कंबल पर आगे पुश कीजिए
Because we are to establish the Yogasana as a sport in this region, and very soon we are going to start up with the training centers out here. So for this our boys are working hard, and in the coming time our athletes from this region will be able to compete with the other districts of the state and will be able to compete in the state level championships. That is in our mind. So I am Mr. Dipankar Nandi, Secretary of Meghalaya Yogasana Sports Association. I am here before you to inform you a little bit about what is yoga and asana. Yoga you already know, and what are the asanas are about. As we go behind, like quite long time back, asanas were claimed to provide both spiritual and physical benefits. And in medieval Hatha Yoga texts, which were there, very important. More recently, studies have provided evidences that they prove flexibility. Asanas and yoga, they will provide flexibility to your body, obviously to your mind as well. Strength and balance. We require balance to our body as well. And also it reduces stress and conditions related to it. And especially to alleviate some diseases such as asthma, diabetics, heart patients. Nowadays lot of diseases are coming, and with the help of yoga and asana, you are going to get rid of all those diseases. Now asanas have been appeared in our culture for many centuries. Religions, Indian art depicts figures of the Buddha, Jain Tirthankaras and Hindu super gods like Shiva and all. They all are seated in that posture, and they used to find out some peace, mental peace or whatever. So they used to do that. You can find them in our those ancient culture.
The district sports Yogasana Sports Association has done this wonderful job of establishing this unit and spreading awareness among the students on various practices on yoga. As you are aware that United Nations has recognized India's biggest contribution to the world, that is yoga, and made the 21st of June every year as the International Yoga Day. India was a rich and prosperous country in the past, and it had very valuable traditions. One of these traditions is the yoga practice, practiced by the sannyasins, and through them it has spread, and in present day world, yoga is an unavoidable practice that has taken the world over, rooted world over, and managed to prevent various calamities, diseases, and so on and so forth.